I live in Singapore, so when I got the meal plans, there were some very specific ingredients, and it was either difficult to source them or I didn't know where to source them in Singapore. And so what we did is I went back and said, these are the things I can find easily, these are things I can't find easily. And so we were able to work a set of substitutes, or in some cases replace one dish with something else with the ingredients that I said were available. So even if you live in a city that's not India and they have a plan, it's easy for them if you go back and tell them, here's what you can find and here's what you'd like to find, to then use those ingredients to then personalize it to your needs.